gonna be a super duper exciting video because in today's video I'm gonna be doing a giveaway gift. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start off by showing you what you're gonna be winning in your giveaway gift. You're gonna be winning an Android charger. Okay guys, so I thought that giving away a charger was super awesome because chargers are something that we use literally every day. And I decided to give away an Android charger because I read that statistically there's more people that have an Android phone instead of an iPhone. So I wanted that everybody who participated in this video have an opportunity to win something that I'm more sure that they're more likely to have, since statistically there's more people with Android phones than iPhones. Next up, you're going to be winning a pair of gloves. They're in the color fuchsia. I decided to give away gloves because since right now we're in the winter time, I know that they're going to be very useful. Like right now up north, it's freezing cold with like inches of snow, guys. And since this is an international giveaway, and I know that in a lot of countries around the world it's very cold as well right now, so I figured a pair of gloves would be the perfect gift. You're gonna be winning a WASSSSSUP Makeup Breakup Cool Cleansing Oil. The back of the packaging says a refreshing cleansing oil that dissolves impurities and makeup. To use, apply to dry skin and gently massage onto face in a circular motion. Rinse clean with water. And I decided to give this away because I've given away products from Bossia before and I know that you guys love them. Part 2 of the video is going over the rules on how you can enter the giveaway. And action! Okay guys, so I wrote down the rules on how you can enter the giveaway in a piece of paper, so that is what I'm reading. Rules of the giveaway. You must include in your comment your email address because if you don't, I won't be able to contact you if you win. Okay guys, so in the comment that you're gonna be writing down below to be able to enter in the giveaway, you must please include your email address because that is the only way that I will be contacting you via email. My email address is on the screen right here. If somebody emails you telling you that you won my giveaway, please do not answer them if it's not from this email address. ICE13pink@gmail.com. That is my email address, guys. Please do not answer anyone else's emails telling you that you won my giveaway because I will only ever contact you through that email address. And the reason why I need your email address is because if you win, I will personally be emailing you asking you for your home address so that way I'm able to ship you your giveaway gift. This giveaway is international, guys, so wherever you are in the world, you're able to participate in this giveaway, okay? Rule number 2 is to be subscribed to me and hit the bell button right next to the subscribe button to enable the post notifications to my channel so that way you're on top of my uploads and get notified as soon as I upload who won the giveaway. Rule number 3, if you win, you must send me via email picture proof you subscribe to me. Rule number 4, in your comment including your email address, I'd like for you to share with us your favorite Bible verse. For example, one of mine is 2 Timothy 4:2 says, preach the word, be ready in season and out of season, reprove, rebuke, and exhort with complete patience and teachings. Number 5, lastly, what country are you from and what's your favorite thing about it, whether it's the attractions or nature areas, etc.
For example, as you guys know, I'm from Central Florida, the Orlando area. I don't live in Orlando, but I live near Orlando, and my city, since it's literally right next to Orlando, we have so much tourism here, and it's really nice to see people from all over the world come visit here, and you get to meet awesome people from all over the world, and it's just so amazing. I just love going to theme parks and like seeing tourists be really excited to be in where I call home. So it's something really amazing that I get to experience, and I love all the attractions that I have nearby. Like I'm literally like 5 minutes away from like every single attraction that I could think of.
The giveaway ends on March 13, 2022. March 13, 2022. So please be on top of my uploads specifically on March 13, 2022. I'll see you very soon, my mermaid unicorn, if God permits. Bye. God bless you.